Hi, it's Meredith George. So here's another cooking session with my Le Creuset, now using the shallow casserole. So this is one of my favorite and easy to cook chicken pesto pasta. So for the recipe, I also got it from the internet, but I tweak it a little bit to make it more personalized to me, and I memorized the ingredients by heart because I cook this a lot and it's so easy to prep. And now for the ingredients.
First in the ingredient is the Greek style feta, which I shredded for easy cooking. You can actually bake this one and melt it, but for me, because I want to cook fast, you can also grate it. Next is of course the green olives, so I usually put 1 cup or 1.5 cup, and black olives, so we love black olives because they're not too salty. I normally put a lot, like 2 cups. And then I put dried tomato. You can also put raw tomato, but I prefer the dried tomato because it's a bit soury. And of course the boiled breast chicken, and then some olive oil. We need the basil pesto sauce, so I normally use the whole can, 190 grams. And of course, the pasta. So I use this 500 grams Sanremo TRIVELLE. So we already boiled and cooked it.
Now let's start cooking. So I'll be using my shallow casserole from Le Creuset. Heat up your stove with medium heat. So don't wait for the casserole to heat up. I normally put a little bit of olive oil. Again, I'm using a silicone spatula so as not to scrape the casserole. I think it heat up pretty quickly. So now I'm going to put feta cheese. I normally melt the feta cheese with olive oil, but as I've said, you can also melt it using your oven. But for faster cooking, I melt it with olive oil. So just put your stove in medium heat. What I love about Le Creuset shallow casserole is that after cooking from stove, you can serve it in your dining table because it looks good. That's why I love the Le Creuset cookware, because they're very versatile, multifunctional. I think we can add the chicken now so it will have a taste. It will absorb the feta cheese. Mixing feta cheese with chicken. Actually, you can put the ingredients in whatever order that you want. Normally, I'll put the chicken last, but for this video, I put it first so that it can absorb the taste of the feta. Okay, now I can see that the feta has melted with the cheese. And I think we can start putting all the ingredients to mix them all up. I'll put the dried tomato. And then black olives. And maybe I'll put the green olives last. Mix. Mixing all the ingredients. So we are now putting the green olives. The good thing about this pesto pasta is you don't need to put salt because the Greek feta is already salty enough and tasty enough for the pasta. So now I think we're ready to put the pasta. Oops. little by little. You can start mixing the pasta. We can now start putting the pesto sauce, basil pesto sauce. Spread it evenly. It's already mixed with pesto pasta. So there you have it, guys, my easy chicken pesto pasta recipe. Bon appetit! Thank you all for watching. See you on my next video. Stay safe and stay golden. Medium heat only. Medium heat. So there you have it, guys. My easy recipe chicken pesto pasta.